contest eh. Kasi wala kang kalaban sa Tacloban. Kasi binibili mo, pinapakidnap mo, inahalas mo, ang mga kalaban mo. Hindi ka dumaan ng contest.
Napaka-unfair yung mga pinagsasabi niya. She's not here for her to say all those words, all those allegations. Speaker Martin Romualdez, as I have said, siya yung naging congressman namin since 2007. I have been with politics since 2007, and ever since I started in the politics, we have different political beliefs, we have different parties, but never we have experienced any political pressure, any yung mga kidnapping, no. It never happened here in the 1st District of Leyte, yung sinasabi na lahat ina-arrange na wala siyang kalaban. It never happened kasi palagi nang may kalaban si Speaker Martin Romualdez, and we are just so thankful with our political leaders on top, with our governor, with our congressman, na dito sa Leyte, peaceful ang election. We have never experienced harassment or any, as what they have said, no political pressure. And that's why parang nakakatuwa na ganito kami dito. Kasi if we will be risking our lives, if we will be experiencing all those na sinasabi ni VP Sara, ba't pa ako tatakbo? Ang bata-bata ko pa. I wanted to have a brighter future. Bakit ko pa pipiliing mag-serve dito kung alam ko na ganito yung nararanasan dito sa Leyte? So, first-hand experience, even if we are not allies ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, we have never experienced political pressure, harassment, kidnapping, or whatsoever that was mentioned, and at the same time, peaceful ang election, peaceful ang politika din dito sa 1st District of Leyte and some other parts of Leyte.